Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about the bass guitar. I am using a fretted acoustic bass in this. Fretless is fine, electric, acoustic, upright, double is fine. As long as you are tuned E, A, D, G, that is fine. But in this video we will be merely using one string. So as long as that string is tuned, we're fine. I am using my fingers up the strings, but if you use a plectrum, that is also fine. It's more about what the left hand is doing. So in this I'm going to teach you the 12 bar blues in the key of A, but the way I'm doing this, you can also play it in E, D and G very easily. You just choose the string you're on. So let's get started. I will write the name of the chords we are using down below. Remember, for now, for each letter there's a count of 4. Each letter is a count of 4. And we are playing in quarter notes in this lesson. We will add some more to it in the next lesson. So let's get started. We are playing in the key of A. So the first 4 bars are A. I am moving my hand out the way so you can see I'm not holding the string down. But in reality you'd keep it about here. So but to make it obvious, I'll move my hand out the way. So it's 4 bars of A. 1, 2, 3, 4. First A. Second A. Third A. Fourth A. Now we need 2 bars of D. You find D at the 5th fret of the A string. First bar. Second bar, back to A for 2 bars. First, second, now we need a E, 7th fret, just 1 bar of that, D, 1 bar of that and 2 bars of A. And that's the sequence, you just start again. So we will play that now without any gaps. So we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. First, second, third, fourth. That's 2 bars, back to A. E, D, A. A again. Repeat. A. First bar, second bar, third bar, fourth bar, D. Back to A. E, D, A. Okay, and that's a little 12 bar blues. Now, a bit of music theory for you now. Do not turn off. It's music theory, don't panic. It's very easy to understand. That's in the key of A because we're on the A string and that open note is the A. Okay? That is the open note. If you were to do the same sequence on the E string, you'd be in the key of E, D string, the key of D, and the G string, the key of G. You would simply play the same frets, but you'd be playing in E, A, D, and G. So with this one sequence, you have now got 4 ways to jam along with people who are playing the blues. So you've got an E, an A, a D, and a G, and that's roughly the 12 bar blues. We can add one more thing to this to make it sound a little bit more professional. Don't panic, it's very easy. So you got your 4 bars of A, that doesn't change. D 2 bars, A 2 bars. It's on the last bit it changes. So you do a bar of E, a bar of D, a bar of A. Then you do 7. This is the fret on the A string. 7, 5, 4, 2. So you would count that 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is the last bar of the sequence. 7, 5, 4, 2, and you lead back into the song. So it sounds like this. You've got a bar of A. So we'll do the sequence properly. 4 bars of A. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. D, A. 2 bars, second bar. Repeat. Third bar of A, fourth bar of A, D, back to A, E, D, A. So as you can hear, it's a nice little walk down. It also tells the people you're starting the sequence again. You may pick up on this now, I've done this in songs. They have little tricks, musicians, to make you know that the sequence is starting again. So the last bar of the 12 bar blues, you play 7, 5, 4, 2. And if you were to finish the song, that's how you finish it. And that's a 12 bar blues for you. If you did that sequence on the D string, you'd be in D, the G string, G and E, the E string. Now there's one little more bit I will add to this. It's not great to start a song straight away, but you can do a walk down. So that walk down can be used to start it. So imagine there's a bar before the 12 bar blues, okay? So there's a bar before the 12 bar blues. You can play that walk down. So that walk down can also be an introduction. If you listen to music, music just doesn't start bang straight away. There's often a little bit of an introduction. So this walk down can be your introduction. Obviously when you repeat the sequence, you don't do the introduction again. The introduction is played just once. And it's like this: 7, 5, 4, 2, start. And that's all you do. So we'll try that again in time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Just repeat. When you finish the song, you do the walk down and just let it ring. Finish on an A note. Sorry. 5, 4. So it'll be, when you're finishing the song, it'll be 7, 5, 4, 2. That takes care of the bar. Then just a open A string. So like I said, if we repeat that on the D string now, we're doing exactly the same fingering, exactly the same places. All that changes the string that you're on. So it would now be in D. Walk down. D, G, do it on the G string. So there's a way you can join in with people jamming, and it's the 12 bar blues. There's another lesson after this one where it slightly changes, but if you can master this first, the second one will be very easy. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. The more thumbs up we get and the more subscribers we get, the more videos we will post. So until next time, take care, keep practicing, keep playing, and as always, goodbye.